joining me. My name is David Nutting, personal trainer at Club Greenwood. Today we're going to go through mistakes people make with bridging. So bridging is an exercise we do down on the floor. So let's get going on it. Three of the main things that take place with bridging when people make mistakes is their hamstrings start to cramp up or they use too much of the hamstrings. Another one is the tops of the thighs get working a little too much. And then another one is the lower back. So for the hamstrings, what you want to do is drive the heels down into the ground, pull the feet a little closer to you, and that's taking away what's called synergistic dominance. This one is called reciprocal inhibition. So if you feel the tops of the legs kind of dominating and you feel that, then that means the hip flexor is usually a little tighter. You want to start stretching that, but that's called reciprocal inhibition. So it inhibits kind of what's taking place in that. Then if you're feeling the lower back, same thing as the hamstring one. You want to pull those heels in, pull in closer to your body, and then scoop and roll the vertebrae up. Other alternatives is going into a single leg bridge. So then when you're lifting from one leg, really allowing that left side, we want to focus on the glute muscle contracting. This is called a Cook hip extension, named after a physical therapist, Gray Cook, and he's a great instructor. And what we're doing on that one is trying to drive that heel into the ground, point that toe up, and then lift through it again on the single leg. But when you do the Cook hip lift, you're wanting to focus on not overextending. So what he says is putting a tennis ball right at that hip teaches you from overextending. So those are some different things that we do with bridging, and I talked and walked you through some of what's taken place. Please comment below if you do have any questions, because I can help. If you haven't subscribed, you can click that red subscribe button, then click the bell icon and then the word all, and that'll give you all the notifications. I try to encourage people in all areas of life. Thanks for joining me.